What's up, guys? It's been a while. Today I'm in the hangar. It's January, and January is the month of annual. So this baby right here is about to go to get its annual done. So while the plane is getting stuff down, I thought let me tell you about the newest addition in the plane, which is an engine monitor. Engine monitor, to me, it's one of the most important instruments that you can have, especially for these small general aviation plane. Engine monitor, it's a must. At least to me, it's a must. It gives you a good heads up on what's going on with the engine. So we just got it done actually last year with my A&P. We installed the JPI EDM 830 with fuel flow and all the good stuff. So wanted to come in here and show you guys. So as you can see right here, these are the cable for the engine monitors. We have CHT EGTs, two EGTs on this side and CHTs in the back. The CHT is basically the cylinder head temperature, so it gives you basically how hot or how cold your cylinders are doing. So we have this right here on this side, and right down here, let me see if you guys can see. You see this cable down here that goes? That's the fuel flow. Inside of this, there's a fuel flow transducer. It tells you exactly how much fuel you're using. So I'll be able to get my fuel quantity, how much I'm using, how much gallon actually I'm using per hour. So it's good to have. So two CHTs, it's a little bit windy here. Two CHTs and two EGTs on each side. Let's see if I can show you the other side right here. Okay, so on both sides we have the CHTs and EGTs on both sides. So I tell you, engine monitor is the best in my book to have in those small plane, especially if you have one engine. So you need to know exactly what's going on with that one engine that you have. So with the JPI 830, there's a lot of things that you'll be able to get, one of which is the RPM. RPM goes right in the back of the magneto. Let's get the camera focus here. In the back of the magneto, right here, and it goes right back here to the back of the right magneto. So I'll be able to get the RPM and manifold pressure. So this one is the RPM in the back of the magnetos, and right back here, let's see, is the RPM, is the manifold pressure. This is the low manifold transducer, and at the bottom here, this is the oil pressure transducer, and this is the back of the JPI 830. Another thing again is the oil temperature. What about the oil temperature? It goes right in the front of the engine, the head of the engine right here. So I could not pass this beautiful view and fly and tell you guys a little bit about the setup I have here now in the plane. The JPI 830 engine monitor, I tell you, is the best engine monitor system out there for at a reasonable price. So I wanted to show you guys this JPI 830. There it is. So the JPI 830, as you can see, right now, it's giving me, the JPI 830, as you can see, is giving me a lot of information, good stuff. Let me see if I can focus on here. There. Give me my manifold pressure. I'm not going fast. I'm only doing 126 miles an hour. And giving me also my RPM.
Let me bring down the RPM a little bit more. I like my RPM down in the 2400s because I'm not going anywhere really. I'm just playing around in the pattern. Right? So this JPI, I tell you, it's awesome. As you can see the green, let's see if you can see the green line, or actually my cylinder head temperature, and the blue are the EGTs. So EGT is right now 1372. My CHC is about 327, the highest one is 327. It gives you on the right, it gives you all the engine parameters, how much fuel you're burning. Right now it's showing that I'm burning 8.1 to 8.2 gallons per hour, and that's the one on top. Yeah. It fluctuates, telling me right now I have 20.5 gallon remaining. 20.5 gallon remaining. It gives you the voltage. It gives you my oil temperature, and at the bottom it gives me my outside air temperature as well in Celsius. It's 9 degrees Celsius. So the JPI 830 is the newest instruments I installed in this plane. It's awesome. It gives between the manifold pressure and the RPM, it gives me also my percentage horsepower, and on top you can see 56% horsepower, and that's something, it's a calculation made between the outside air temperature, the manifold.
Traffic, Skymaster 24 Delta Charlie is 10 miles to south inbound on RNAV 35.
So it gives you pretty good information as far as the plane goes, and what to expect. If for any reason I have a little problem, such as one of the cylinders goes bad or going bad, I can see that with this engine monitor.
5 miles to the west at 3,500 at position to the north.
So I tell you, I'm very pleased, very pleased with this engine monitor, and also it brings a low peace of mind, such as I'm flying, I can glance at it and see exactly what I'm doing and what's going on, and how the cylinder is. The cylinder is good. Of course, things can still happen, but at least with this system, I can kind of see if something major were to happen. I can try to see if I can land safely somewhere before something catastrophic happens. So I wanted to come up here and finish this video and show you the JPI 830 in action, and of course my good old Garmin GTN 650 and all that. And look at this. This is awesome. Oh, you may ask, what is this? This right here, it's a carbon monoxide detector. So it tells me a little bit, how my carbon monoxide, especially in the winter season, as you're flying with heat inside the plane, so it's good to have that. Although carbon monoxide happens,
the field, coming in to land on runway 18.
although carbon monoxide happen whether it's winter or not, but it's more prone to happen in the winter season because you're using cabin heat. So with that in mind, this system right here kind of give me a little bit of peace of mind. If it alarms, I can hear it, and it flashes if it's detecting carbon monoxide. So it's a little night flying or afternoon flying, if you want to call it, with a little sunset flying. The sunset's happening right now in the distance, and it's beautiful, really good.